Hello my friends, this is Alina, and recently we have several very sunny spring days and they inspired me to make some similar project what they do last time, because I have a lot of leftover flowers after that, and I find in my stash these tiny baskets and I think we will be a beautiful combination together. So let's start this project and look what will come out of this. I start with prime my basket with gesso and then color with metallic paint. Color is gold. I cover it from outside and inside, left only lid uncovered because I have plans to use another paint on it. When I finish with golden, I use another metallic paint, color called Worn Penny, and I cover a lid, so it looks a little bit chestnut, but still metallic. Then I use this paint with moss effect. Here I use flock. It's called Flower Soft. It looks like little pieces of flowers or leaves, so it creates more dimensional effect. I have these trims of ribbons with leaves. I glue it down inside my basket. Then I prepared my flowers for embellish basket outside. I use again metallic paint, more like paste or wax. I like texture of this paint. I use it on small sequences, which I can use then as embellishment, so I will fill empty spaces between bigger flowers. I change the color of my paper flowers that left after our previous project. I prepared some pieces of my leaf trims. I color them with Opal Magic Prima Market Mixed Media paint. I want them looks little bit outstanding in comparison with inside part of my basket. Also, this paint have pearlescent effect, so I like it. Then I start embellishing my basket. I start with bigger flowers, so better understand how to position my flowers, so everything have enough space. On the free spaces between bigger flowers, I put my smaller embellishments, pieces of sequences, flower shaped and leaf shaped, also some punched leaves. Most of these flowers you may see from my previous project. I wind my prepared trim around handle, and when I wait till it will glue down, I proceed with embellishing outside of my basket. Then I decided it was not wide enough, so I put several layers of leaf trim. proceed with embellishing my basket outside. I put small leaves, small roses, colored sequences. I try it looks natural, but in the same time little bit fantasy-like. That's why I use mostly metallic and glittery paints. I try to cover spaces between bigger flowers so it won't look empty. I use tweezers to put smaller flowers and leaves and pieces on my basket. Here I use punched leaf ribbon on outside edge of my basket and put some flowers on top of it too. I use stuck-it fabric glue from Beacon. I find it most suitable. It's dry pretty quickly but not momentarily, so I can adjust position of some embellishments which I don't like, and it's easy to remove extended glue. Now I start thinking about inside part of our lid. I stamp image. I use Memento ink. They're supposed to be waterproof. I decide to color everything with these acrylic color shift paints because they create more dimensional, more noticeable look than just markers. Because in our last project, Dene Color Mushroom House, I was not happy with colors look. They were not as bright as I expect them to be. So for our most dimensional noticeable parts as mushroom heads, I use the acrylic paint. Everything else I color with different markers. It's very cheap markers, nothing special here. Some of them Tim Holtz markers, but majority is just simple alcohol marker. I use tweezers to put away a little bit of extant acrylic paint. It's easy to remove with sharp edges of tweezers. Then I put a little bit glittery paint on fairy wings. Then I use enamel to make mushroom spots a little bit dimensional again. And glittery glue to make wings more shiny. I create template with shape and size of our lid. Now I transfer template on stamped image. I color dust the background, so make it more blue because it was a little bit pinky. Then I glue it down on the inside part of my lid. I cover it all with matte gel. I put too much gel, so I remove extent with a piece of napkin. I glue down the plastic flowers on basket handle. To decorate the inside walls of basket, I use leaves that I cut from my leaf trims. color it with metallic paste. I use liquid pearls to put some accent on my tiny sequence flowers. On top of my lid, I put Flower Soft. Then I embellish it with punched leaves and put my big dimensional flower on top of it. It will be my centerpiece. I put smaller flowers in between bigger leaves, so it didn't look empty. And some other pieces like little leaves, little sequence flowers, and little dragonflies. And again, I use glittery paint and liquid pearl to create a little accent. I use transparent crystals on petals of my flowers, so they look like watery bubbles. To finish my work, I use tiny tag. I stamp sentiment on it and little bit color dust the edges. And that's all. Our project is finished. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you will use this tutorial to create some spring basket for your friends as a present, as a box for the present, as a small party favor, for a table embellishment, for anything what you would like to do with it. And anyway, if you like this tutorial, please give me thumbs up. Please share it with your friends if you feel it's deserved, and leave me any comments what you would like. If you have any questions, I will be so happy to answer you. Anyway, thank you again and have a greatest day ever.